Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. It was in 2007 when I got to wear my first eyeglasses. Dahil Bautista po ang aking apelido, nasa unahan po ako ng classroom. Pero kahit nasa unahan po ako, malabo po yung mga nakikita ko sa blackboard. And thus, the request from me to move from the far right or left, at least somewhere in the middle, so that I can see the instructions given or the directions or discussions given to us. Malabo na po, kaya kailangan i-correct para makita po ang dapat kong makita. And one of the things that we are thankful in life is the gift of our eyes. And our eyes may see events happening around, but it also knows things that happen deep within us. St. Paul enumerated the many labors that he did in life, the many heartaches, the many sufferings and persecutions he faced as an apostle. But these things he saw not only as mere events, but he saw these events as things that has blessed his life. These things happened to him as grace. He saw these things as God experiences for him. And shall we say, experiences of light for him. And such is the challenge of Jesus. If our eyes is sound, our body will be filled with light. Pero kung masama ang mata, kadiliman ang pupwedeng manuot sa ating pagkatao. We might need to have our eyes corrected by the grace of the Lord. Our eyes might seldom see good things. Our eyes may seem to be weak in seeing joyful moments we have. Our eyes may seem to witness graceful moments we have in life. At baka ang mayroon lang tayo, palyadong pananaw at paningin. Ang nakikita lang masama. Ang buhay sa mata lang natin ay madidilim. Ang mga gusto lang nating tingnan, yung mga kawalan at marahil disgrasya sa buhay na ito. Our eyes might only see decaying or earthly events, but our eyes can also see rich and heavenly experiences. We might once more need to have our eyes corrected by the grace of God. O baka may tumatakip lang po sa ating mga mata. O baka umiiwas lang din tayo makakita ng maganda, ng mayayamang bagay sa buhay na ito. May we not see only decaying and dying moments. May we also see richly and heavenly moments we have. These things will turn us on. Nakakabuhay ang mga ito. Napapalakas tayo ng mga ito. At higit sa lahat, grasya ang mga bagay na ito.